Do you want to invest your money but don't know where to start? You are not alone. Investing can be complex and intimidating, but there is a solution that can make it easier. Mutual funds. A mutual fund is a pool of money collected from many investors, which is then used to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Your investment is managed by a professional fund manager. The fund manager uses their expertise to select and manage the investments in the fund. The value of your investment in a mutual fund will go up or down depending on the performance of the underlying investments. But because the investments in the fund are diversified, your risk is spread out among many different companies or asset classes, which can help to reduce your overall risk. In addition, mutual funds are typically easy to buy and sell, and they provide regular updates on the performance of the fund and the value of your investment. Whether you are investing for retirement or down payment on a house or just to grow your wealth, mutual funds can be a great option. Call us to know the suitable mutual fund products for your investment needs. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.